Hi my respective friends, today I am come up with the new winning strategy for Mahzooz upcoming draw which is drawing on 25th June 2022. Friends, if you are not able to find the exact pattern of any lottery, then you will never win. So I am here for you with the best routine. It's remained successful in past draws. So let's see how it's working. Friends, these are the past results of Mahzooz lottery. Whenever the second number and last number, please look it carefully. It is very important for you. When second number and last number minus them, 44 minus 30, answer is 14. Then in next draw they give us some common things. You can see in second time 47 minus 33, answer is 14. Then third time 43 minus 29, answer is 14. 30 minus 16, answer is 14. Now it is our previous result. 44 minus 30, answer is 14. Okay, first total 5 times this thing is happened. And first time you can see when this was happened, they picked maximum numbers from 30 to 49, 32, 36, 40 and 45. Second time again they picked 4 numbers from 30 to 49, 37, 38, 39 and 49. Third time again 3 number came from 30 to 49, 35, 43 and 44. In fourth time you can see again 3 number came from 30 to 49, 35, 42 and 44. Now it is our previous result. According to this routine, 3 or 4 numbers should come. 3 or 4 numbers should come from 30 to 49 numbers. In recent 2 past draws, you can see 35 and 44 number again they picked in next draw. When this thing is happened, again this number 35 and 44 they picked. If they will continue this routine, then these two numbers 35 and 44 can come in our upcoming draw of Mahzooz. Another thing is, whenever 41 number came in the result, then in next draw 4 series will be confirmed. You can also check the past result. Whenever 41 was came, again in next draw numbers has come from 4 series. My powerful numbers in 4 series I will show in my next video, that is Mahzooz draw prediction. So wait for my that video. But if you don't wait and today it's your selection day, you should keep this pattern. You should select your maximum numbers between 30 to 49. These are 2 best numbers because in past 2 recent draws they pick 2 times these 2 numbers, and you should must select 1 or 2 numbers in 4 series. Okay friends, so wait for my next video. Goodbye.